We're here because of the people of Kenya. It's our view, as international service providers, that the people of Africa, and specifically Kenya, deliver the highest quality outcomes for our customers, and that's why we built this state-of-the-art facility that has got the capacity for 5,000 people, and why we expect that we'll at least triple our employee numbers over the next several years. Straight after this event, we're holding a conference. We have visitors from all over the world, and by our calculation, the people that are attending our conference have got 300,000 jobs between them. So, as we were discussing with His Excellency earlier, the sky's the limit in terms of Kenya's opportunity in the BPO space. And I'd like to thank not only the people here attending the conference and the opening ceremony, but I'd like to thank the government of Kenya, who, as we discussed earlier, just get it. Yeah, they get it. They understand that the BPO sector can create huge numbers of jobs, and we create jobs for people quickly, and we create jobs for people who are previously disadvantaged, long-term unemployed, young people, and we provide careers for them. So thank you very much.
One of the 5 pillars of this administration is that digital economy. We have committed to not only expand fiber optic footprint in Kenya by an extra 100,000 kilometers. In fact, our ICT hub infrastructure is meant to go all the way to every ward in Kenya. Our goal is to enable at least 1 million digital workers over the next 5 years, supported by investment in infrastructure such as natural broadband and digital hubs. And additionally, we are focusing on green energy, regulatory reforms, and data governance to enhance the investment climate.